Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade pip version in PyCharm for all projects. When we get this warning, we can use the hint and upgrade our pip. For this, write pip install upgrade pip. We have successfully installed new pip version, but this version of pip is only installed for the current project. In a new project, the warning will return. What to do? To fix it, click PyCharm and then Settings. In the Settings, write Python interpreter, and here we see our pip library. We have installed the latest version. Let's open the new project. In a new project, go to the PyCharm Settings, next Project pip upgrade, Python interpreter, and we see that we have an old version of pip. Double-click on pip and then check Specify version. Next, choose the latest version and then click Install package. Package pip installed successfully. Return to the settings. We have a latest version, OK, and let's check it. Let's create a new project, file, new project, check pip, create, go to the settings, PyCharm settings, next project, check pip, and then Python interpreter. And we have the latest version. You can update any install library this way. For example, we can upgrade setup, tools, specify version, choose the latest version, install package, return, and we have the latest version of setup tools library for all projects. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you soon.